Friends, welcome. Today I'm going to reveal a secret that can change your life forever. Imagine having the key to success, health, and happiness right in your kitchen, in every meal, in every bite. Yes, I'm talking about salt. You'll be surprised, but this simple substance possesses incredible power capable of working wonders. Are you ready to learn how to use the power of salt to achieve your goals? Then get comfortable, because what you're about to hear may be the beginning of your journey to success. Salt is not just a seasoning. It's a symbol of life, energy, and wisdom. From ancient times, people have known about the magical power of salt. Remember how in legend salt was valued like gold, how it was used to cleanse homes of negative energy, how it was used in important rituals. These legends are not just fantasies, they're based on the real power of salt. But how can salt help us achieve success and change our lives? Let's start with the simplest thing, recognizing the presence of salt in our lives. Have you ever wondered why we so often use the expression salt of the earth to describe the most worthy people? Or why ancient philosophers called salt a divine substance? Imagine a world without salt. Tasteless, bland, lacking vibrancy. Just like our lives without salt, without passion, without enthusiasm, without striving for success, become tasteless and uninteresting. Salt is not just a flavor enhancer, it's a catalyst that reveals the true flavor of life. But it's not just about recognizing the presence of salt in our lives, we need to learn how to use its power. Salt has amazing properties. It cleanses, preserves, and enhances flavor. These properties can be applied to our lives, our goals, and our dreams. Let's look at the first property of salt, cleansing. In ancient times, salt was used for cleansing not only the physical but also the spiritual. Try a simple experiment. Every morning, after waking up, drink a glass of warm water with a pinch of salt. This will not only cleanse your body but also help cleanse your thoughts, set a positive tone. You'll be surprised at how quickly changes will start happening in your life, how your well-being and ability to focus on important tasks will improve. The second important property of salt is preservation. Salt has been used for centuries to preserve food. But have you ever thought that salt can help preserve your dreams, goals, and important ideas? Start a salt journal. Every evening, write down your main thoughts, ideas, and plans for the future. Then take a pinch of salt and sprinkle it on the page. This symbolic action will help you preserve your thoughts, keep them fresh and powerful. And finally, the third property of salt, enhancing flavor. Salt doesn't just make food salty, it reveals and enhances the natural flavor of ingredients. Similarly, it can enhance the flavor of your life. Try adding a pinch of salt to your daily activities. This can be anything: special enthusiasm, extra effort, unexpected creativity. You'll see how your life becomes brighter, more vibrant, more flavorful. Interestingly, many successful people intuitively use the power of salt. For example, it's known that Steve Jobs loved to conduct important negotiations during beach walks. The salty sea air helped him clear his thoughts and make the right decisions. And Oprah Winfrey admitted that she always kept a beautiful salt shaker in her office as a symbol of wisdom and balance. But salt can help us not only achieve success but also maintain health and beauty. Have you ever wondered why we love taking salt baths after a hard day? It's not just a pleasant procedure. Salt helps remove fatigue, cleanse the energy field, and restore strength. Try taking a salt bath the next time you feel stressed or tired. Add sea salt to the water, light candles, and play soothing music. Imagine the salt pulling out all the fatigue and negative emotions from your body. This simple action can become a real ritual of renewal and restoration. Salt can also help us solve problems and find new ideas. Have you ever heard of the salt brainstorming technique? It's a method used by some creative agencies. The idea is to hold a salt crystal in your hand during discussions or idea generation. This helps you focus, clear your mind, and find unexpected solutions. Many great thinkers and inventors have used the power of salt in their work. For example, Nikola Tesla always kept a salt shaker on his desk. He believed that salt helped maintain mental clarity and attract creative ideas. And Leonardo da Vinci used salt in his experiments with paints, which allowed him to create unique shades in his paintings. But salt can help us not only in work but also in relationships. Have you ever heard the expression to eat a pound of salt? It means to know a person very well. And there's deep meaning in this. Salt symbolizes wisdom, experience, and depth in relationships. When we add a pinch of salt to our relationships, whether it's friendship, love, or business partnership, we make them stronger, deeper, more flavorful. Interestingly, many cultures use salt in their rituals and ceremonies. Remember the Russian tradition of greeting guests with bread and salt? Or the Japanese tradition of scattering salt before important events to cleanse the space? All these traditions are based on the belief in the special power of salt. But how can we use this power of salt in our daily lives? Here are a few simple tips. Start your day with a glass of water with a pinch of salt. This will help cleanse your body and set a positive tone. Keep a beautiful salt shaker on your desk. This will remind you to add salt, enthusiasm and creativity to your daily activities. When you feel stressed or tense, take a pinch of salt and hold it in your hand for a few minutes. This will help restore balance and remove negative emotions. Before important meetings or negotiations, put a pinch of salt in your pocket. This ancient talisman will help you be wise and convincing. Remember that salt is not a magic pill that will solve all your problems. It's a tool that can help you better understand yourself, your life, and the world around you. Treat salt with respect and awareness. Use it moderately and with gratitude. Observe how it affects your life, and learn to use its power for your benefit. In conclusion, I want to say that the power of salt is available to each of us. You don't need to be an alchemist or a magician to use it. You just need to be attentive, aware, and open to new possibilities. Salt can become your ally on the path to success, health, and happiness. You just need to learn to notice its presence and use its wisdom. Remember that just as salt reveals the flavor of food, so can you reveal the flavor of your life by adding a pinch of enthusiasm, wisdom, and creativity. Be that salt of the earth that ancient people talked about. Use the power of salt to achieve your goals and create harmony in your life. And finally, a small exercise for you. Tonight, before bed, take a pinch of salt and dissolve it in a glass of water. Drink this water, imagining that the salt dissolves all your problems and worries. Then take another pinch of salt and put it under your pillow. Let it bring you wise dreams and fresh ideas. Do this with sincerity and love. And let this be the beginning of your new, amazing journey with the power of salt. Friends, I hope this video has opened new facets of familiar things for you and inspired you to use the power of salt in your life. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And now I have a special offer for you. If this video gets 5,000 likes, I'll reveal to you the ancient secret of how to use salt to attract financial success and prosperity. So don't hesitate, like, share the video with friends, and write in the comments how you plan to use the power of salt in your life. See you next time, friends, and may salt add a special flavor to your life.